Om Sri Mahasakti. Kamakya temple is not just a famous pilgrimage site in Assam, but it is a unique temple of the entire country, India. Kamakya temple, which is situated high aloft a hill called Nilachal Parbat or Kamagiri in the city of Guwahati, Assam. The Kamakya temple had been built in reverence to goddess Sakti, who was one of the numerous incarnations of goddess Durga or goddess Sakti. It is one of the oldest of 51 Sakti Peethas. It is the main temple in a complex of individual temples, which is most comprehensive representation of the 10 Mahavidyas of Sakti, namely Kali, Tara, Tripura Sundari, Bhuvaneswari, Bhairavi, Chennamasta, Dhumavati, Bakalamutri, Matanki, and Kamalatnika. Among these, Tripura Sundari, Matanki, and Kamala resides inside the main temple, whereas the other 7 resides in individual temples. Kamakya Mandir is an important pilgrimage destination for Hindus, especially for Tantric worshippers. King Narayana of Kuch, Bihar rebuilt the temple in 1665 after it had suffered destruction at the hands of foreign invaders. The current form from the 16th century has given rise to a hybrid indigenous style that is sometimes called Nilachal type, a temple with a hemispherical dome on a cruciform base. Considering this to be a woman's power to give birth, the deity and temple of Kamakya Considering this to be a woman's power to give birth, the deity and the temple of Kamakya is a celebration of this Sakti within every woman. Bhageswari temple, Bongaigaon. Ma Bhageswari is dedicated to Ma Parvati, which is situated near Birjhora Gill, Bongaigaon town, and surrounded by Birjhora tea estate. The hills and tea estate with its loose greenway and serenity adds to its beauty of the temple and leaves the feeling of spirituality in the mind of devotees. Bhageswari temple is a Hindu temple dedicated to Mother Goddess Bhageswari, one of the oldest of 51 Sakti Peethas. According to Hindu mythology, this is a place where Devi Durga Trishul fell down when her body was cut into pieces by Lord Vishnu just after Dakshaya Yagya. This is one of the most visited pilgrimage spots in Assam because of its power to connect humans with spiritual beliefs. It has a great importance during Dugha Mahastami, which is observed during Durga Puja, one of the biggest festivals of Assam, after Baisahu, which comes during the October season, where the buffaloes are sacrificed and devotees from several parts of Assam visit the temple to witness its power of religious rituals. Bongaigaon town, where Mata Bhageswari temple is located, is about 186 km from Guwahati, Assam. Om Sri Mahasakti. If you like this video, please click like button. If you would like to share with others, please click share button. If you would like to get more updates about Darshan Chalo channel, please click subscribe button. Thank you.